In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the oscilloscope mode in the AE Tools Invisible Signal Tester. In the oscilloscope mode, the signal level of the smart key proximity key can be viewed and compared. There are two oscilloscope modes, slow and fast, for the different frequency smart keys used. First, we'll try using the slow oscilloscope and holding our smart key at the bottom where the RF test is. You can see we do have it showing up just a little bit. We can adjust the sensitivity using the up and down arrows again. But we're really not getting much on the slow oscilloscope test, so let's move to the fast oscilloscope test, so it may better represent our key. And now we do have signal levels coming in. So if you'd like to test the signal level, you may have to try both tests to find out which better represents your proximity or smart key. And you may also have to adjust the sensitivity until you can find the signal.
If you have any further questions or difficulty, please call AE Tools Tech Support. Thank you and have a wonderful day.